Hi everyone, welcome back to BD Hacks, the YouTube series where we share simple tricks and hacks to help you become a more successful business development pro. Our job as business developers is to find new opportunities to generate values for our companies. This means that we need to connect with many different people, and sometimes it's not really easy to get past the first contact. People don't seem to care about what we have to say, so we get frustrated and eventually we give up on reaching out to people altogether. So if you're experiencing the same, this is gonna change after you watch this video. Today, I'll share with you a very cool tool that is gonna help you build instant connections with absolutely anyone. But before you get to know this secret, make sure you subscribe to our channel and you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly tips and tricks to become better at business development. All right, let's get started. The tool I show you today is called Crystal and is a platform that helps you predict anyone's personality and establish better connections. It's based on the DISC method, which is a behavioral framework that is going to help you better connect with people, understand their communication style, and eventually get what you want. Crystal is going to help you communicate with everyone based on their unique personalities, improve your outreach strategy, and eventually communicate better with your manager, so maybe you can grow your career. All you have to do is to install the Chrome extension and then navigate to someone's LinkedIn profile. Crystal is going to analyze all the public available data and then predict the personality of your stakeholder. At that point, it's going to give you a lot of practical tips to write emails, talk to the person, and eventually make them feel at ease with you. For example, if you'd like to approach me, the best way to do it is by being enthusiastic and show me the potential of collaborating with you. This is because I tend to be on the influential side of the DISC method. Of course, you can also use Crystal to get to know more about yourself. So you can create a profile, fill in the form, and then see in which quadrants of the DISC method you belong to. I know this tool for a very long time, but I'm only able to use it now after I got trained on the DISC method. So my recommendation for you would be, if you really want to make the most out of it, read more about the DISC method and get some foundational knowledge. In the last video, I spoke about a very cool book about the topic, so I will leave the link in the description below. Go check it out and start from that book. Alright guys, good luck with your next outreach and see you next week.